Okay, I did it. I went into the TikTok shop and okay, I did it. I went into the TikTok shop and I got these eyeshine eyelashes with the Bond and Seal. The Bond and Seal. Now, listen, girl, you know how I can't do lashes. I have gotten these twice. These are the Kiss Impress Falsies. I can get one on. But the rest of them, they just will not stay. But anyway, I have been seeing these all over TikTok, but I can't wear like 18, 12, 16s. They're just, I don't like it and I can't wear them. So I just happened to come across these. These are minis and they start off at, let's open them. Okay, so right over here, so nice. Isn't that so nice? Hello. But these are minis. These are extensions by me, classic minis 8 to 12. So they start at 12 and they go down to 8. So we're going to try it. We are going to try these. No clue. Like I said, these, I just can't do it. I also got the clear bond and sealant. I've already had this. I have a little bit of micellar water, and I'm talking a little bit, just to clean off my lashes. I have nothing on, but just like morning moisturizer. So I'm gonna just bring this super close, super duper close. Let's see. I think can I go down with my, yeah, I'm gonna do that. And I have a magnifier on here. This is my Ricky, one of the Rickies, but I got the magnifier here because I think we're gonna need it. So let me just clean my eyelashes. It says to just clear them up. Let me just read them to you real quick. Leave me some comments below. Do any of you guys have this? Did you guys pick it up? So this is first prep your lashes. Wash with oil-free soap before application. Remove natural oils. Brush a light coat of the bond on the base of the natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Use a lash applicator to lift the cluster out of the tray. Apply cluster, start slightly overlapping, and then dab a thin coat of the sealant to eliminate the sticky residue. After sealant, use applicator or your fingers to squeeze them together. Okay, let's just try it. No clue. Okay, so let me just grab some micellar. And I'm going to just put it right over I'm going to just run them right over my lashes just to make sure there's nothing on them. Right, and there shouldn't be, right? There's nothing there. I hope this works. And leave me comments below. I try to find as many videos as I can on TikTok. Like, how long do they last? Some people, I'm going to put my light on. It's going to, yeah. Yeah, that looks really bright, but we'll fool around with the light later on during editing, I hope. I'm just cleaning off these tweezers because I do use them all the time. So let's just look at these little lovers. So I think I'm gonna just do, how many do I need? Like 12, let me see. 12, 10, and 8. Should we do 12, 12, 12, 10, and 8? I don't know. I am going to curl my lashes. Should I shut this off? Because it looks, well, we could do it like that. That's fine. I'm going to curl my lashes. Right? See over here. I'm so excited. If they work, that would be a miracle. Okay, let me take out the bond. And I'm going to read this again. Brush a light coat of the bond on the base. Okay. This is in clear. I did get it in clear. Okay. Bottoms up. Okay. We did that. And I know some people put the bond also like on the edge of this, on the edge of the cluster. I can already feel it getting sticky underneath my eyelashes. Like underneath. How the hell do you get these off? Okay, so that's there. Let's see, do you think that these are too long? The 12s, let's see. Oh. They look kind of long, but we're gonna do it anyway. I'm just putting some on the tip over there that some people do. And let's see here. Okay, that was friggin' easy. That was super easy. Okay, that bond is really, really sticky. Okay, and then I'm going to do another 12. I'll put the bond on here. I'm just doing this. They said to overlap it a little bit. Okay, I think these 12s are really big. So I'm going to just go 12, 12, and then I'm going to go 10, 12, 12, 10. Right? Yeah, I think I'm going to go 12, 12, 10, 8. That's pretty good, right? 12, 12, I think 10, 10, and 8. Is that what I said? This is really sticky. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to do an 8. I still think the 12s are too long. Maybe because I'm just not used to them. Maybe. And this is an 8. I'm going to put it right over here. Okay, what do you guys think? Very interesting, right? Let's see. Do I have a smaller mirror? Yeah, I have a smaller mirror right over here. What do you guys do? Wow, those are so friggin' big. Like, I'm still not used to them. Let's just seal them together like this. These are so friggin' long still. Okay, well, we did it now. We might as well. They're very sticky. You see that? Okay. I'm going to go in with the seal, which is on the other end. And just go right underneath. And then they said to put the seal over here on the inside and just seal these little lovers from top to bottom. Okay. That was pretty easy. Do they look strange though? I still think these 12s, this one looks like it's bunching up right over here. I almost want to cut them a little bit. Right? I think I just like 10, 10, and 8, but too late now, right? That looks really nice, right? What do you guys think? Let's move on to the other eye. So that's that. I think something is sticking right over here. I will tell you that the glue, the glue bond, like the brush, for my eyes in particular, it's really big. I got something in my eye now. Okay, I'm gonna just seal it. Right over here. They're a little crooked, but nothing that a little eyeliner can't cure, right? Right? Nothing that a little eyeliner can't cure. So I just put some seal right in the middle, right in between these little grips. Okay. Let me take a quick little look. I'm not used to them. I think they're so friggin' big for me. This one's a little crooked right over here. You see right in there. But for the most part, you know what? Let me grab like a, let me just grab like a brush to brush them out. Hold on a second. Alright, I just grabbed just one of these brushes to just brush them out. You know what I want to do? I want to get maybe some micellar water, and probably the glue tip is really, it's still too big for my eyes because my eyes are so small. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take some micellar water and just see if I could just clean, not like the base. I just want to take the glue off the lashes. So I'm just taking this spoolie and just trying to take the glue off the lashes, and of course not off the base. This one's crooked, but, and I have some, my daughter's friends just came over, so the dog's probably barking, and I did get glue on my bottom lashes. Okay, I think that came out super good. What do you guys think? Have you guys tried these? And what do you guys think? As always, guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.